Hey everybody, for this problem we're going to multiply 3,847 times 2 using an area model. Okay, so come over here, grab a pen, grab a marker, whatever works for you, and let's do this problem together. Alright, so remember this 3 is a number of thousands, so this is going to be 3,000, so 3,000 times 2 will give us 6,000. So let's write 6,000 inside the blue box. This 8 is the number of hundreds, so 800 times 2 is 1,600. All right, the 4 is the tens, so 40 times 2 is 80. And then finally, the 7 is number of ones, so 7 times 2 gives you 14. All right, finally, let's write these numbers inside the corresponding boxes over here. So we know that the blue value is 6,000. We know that the yellow box is going to be 1,600. We know that the red box is 80. And then finally, we know the orange box is 14. And the last step is we need to now add up all these numbers. So 6,000 plus 1,600 plus 80 plus 14 would give us 7,694. And there's your answer.